demo it?
Yeah.
All right. Cool. It likes the lows.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the box is tuned at 28.
Man.
Yeah, I know. The fucking stand on here and look at the roof when I play.
Yeah, I saw the TV.
Yeah, it fucking goes nuts.
Still really musical.
I'm loving that Synergy audio amp, bro. That's one of the first Koreans I've ever seen with the clip light built onto the amp.
It's built onto it?
It's on the amp. It's not on the remote. It's right here. You'll see it flicker.
Okay.
And I got it set to a soft clip. You'll see it flicker on the higher.
But it's not on the bass knobs?
No, it's not on the bass knob. It's on the amp itself.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
So when you set your gains, you can use that.
Yep, that's what I did.
Yep.
What I do is I set a bass line with a 40 hertz negative 4.5 dB, and then so I set it with that till it's clean, and then I'll play music, and then I'll set it to the music that I listen to. Because sometimes when you set it with the tone, then when you play music, it'll, you know what I'm saying, it'll clip.
Correct.
So the voltage drop. So you're not setting it under load.
No.
So then I reset it under load.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Because certain frequencies clip at different ranges too. Yeah.
And plus when you introduce voltage drop,
yep.
Then, you know
More
what I'm saying?
clipping.
Exactly.
Yep.
So
a lot of people don't think about that. That's a good idea.
well, I got to think about it. I've learned a lot of shit.
Thanks for the demo, man.
Yeah, man. No
what was
problem.
your name?
Always a pleasure. Donald.
Donald.
Fat boy.
All right, you want to give me a rundown now for the intro?
Oh yeah, real quick, man. That's a Davin Designs box built by my boy Ken Stoneberg. It was a wall in his GMC Sierra, and we just pulled it out and threw it in here. 4 ZBX 15s, Synergy Audio 5.1 at half ohm, 4 Group 31s with bus bars, and of course, shout out to my boy Jonathan Patrick, CES 270 large case alt.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. And what'd you say it got on the meter?
51 at 39 hertz was my peak. So I did all around wall 1, and I did a 49.8 average, 30-second average. So I'm pretty happy with it for something I just slapped in here.
That's right. Yes, sir. Appreciate it, man.
Yes,
nice
sir.
to meet you again.
Always a pleasure. Yeah.
Yes, sir. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.